Namaste. My name's Nicholas. I'm from Canada. I just finished my 300-hour yoga teacher training with Vinyasa Yogashala. And yeah, the whole course was amazing. Good layout to the course. Like the whole day we were super busy. So it was almost like a military boot camp, but in like a good way. So it was long days, but perfectly laid out, not too much class at one point. It was a good mixture of yoga along with the classes, so you never got bored of just sitting down. Yeah, and all the teachers were amazing, all super knowledgeable, and all seemed to be very enlightened. So they were teaching from the heart, they were teaching from experience, not just from books and from other people, but they actually have experienced yoga. And yeah, just everything was amazing. The food was good, the excursions were great. And everyone in Rishikesh pretty well speaks English, so if you're worried about coming here and not knowing the language, don't worry about that. Everyone speaks English here. And there's a big community of yogis here as well, from all over the world, so you'll never get isolated or feel alone. You always have friends. Yeah, it was a very good experience overall, and hope you guys can make it here.